Hi, everyone, and a very warm welcome back to Tiny English. My name is May.
And I'm Gray. It's wonderful to see you all. May, I think today's topic is maybe the first English skill everyone needs to learn.
I completely agree. Imagine you're at a party, or maybe your first day of class, or even just in a coffee shop. What's the first thing you need to do when you meet someone new?
You have to introduce yourself. And that's our topic for today. We're going to show you how to do it in a simple, natural, and friendly way.
Exactly. The goal is to make you feel confident when you meet new people. We'll show you a very realistic conversation where Gray and I meet for the very first time.
But before we start our role play, let's go over some essential words and phrases. First, the verb introduce. It means to tell someone your name for the first time.
When you meet someone, you can say, "Nice to meet you." It's a polite and friendly phrase.
A very common question is, where are you from? This is how you ask about someone's hometown or country.
And another key question is, "What do you do?" This is a common way to ask about someone's job or profession.
For our conversation today, you'll hear two professions. May is a lawyer. A lawyer helps people with the law.
And the second is an engineer, specifically a software engineer who works with computers and code.
Okay, let's quickly review. Introduce, nice to meet you. Where are you from? What do you do? Job, profession, lawyer, and engineer. Got it?
Perfect. Now let's imagine we are two strangers meeting for the very first time. Are you ready, Gray?
Let's go.
Excuse me, is this seat taken?
Oh, no, it's free. Please, have a seat.
Thank you so much. It's so busy in here today. By the way, I'm May.
Hi, May. I'm Gray. It's a pleasure to meet you.
It's nice to meet you too, Gray. This is a great coffee shop, isn't it?
It really is. I come here all the time to get some work done. It has a good atmosphere.
I agree. It's my first time here, actually. A friend recommended it.
Are you from around here?
That's a good question. I'm living here now, but I'm originally from Australia.
Oh, wow. Australia. That's far from here. So, where are you from in Australia?
I'm from Melbourne. It's a city in the south. It's famous for its coffee, art, and unpredictable weather. One minute it's sunny, the next it's raining.
That sounds interesting. I'd love to visit one day.
You should. What about you, Gray? You don't sound like you're from around here either.
You've got a good ear. No, I'm not. I'm from Hanoi, the capital of Vietnam.
Oh, Hanoi. I've heard it's a beautiful city with a lot of history and amazing food.
That's a perfect description. The old quarter is amazing, and the street food is the best in the world, in my opinion.
I believe it. So, what brings you here?
I moved here for work about a year ago.
That makes sense. So, what do you do for a living, Gray?
I'm a software engineer. I work for a tech company downtown. Basically, I write code to build applications for phones and computers.
Oh, that sounds interesting. It also sounds very complicated.
It can be sometimes, but I enjoy it. It's like solving puzzles all day. What about you, May? What do you do?
I'm a lawyer. I work for an international law firm.
A lawyer? Wow, that's very impressive. I imagine that involves a lot of reading and arguing.
That's a pretty accurate way to put it. It is a lot of reading, for sure. But I like helping people solve their problems, so it's rewarding.
It sounds like it. Well, May, it was really nice talking to you.
You too, Gray. It was a pleasure to meet you.
See? It's as simple as that. Meeting someone new is just a series of simple, friendly questions.
Exactly. The most important thing is to be curious and listen. Now it's your turn to practice. It's time for our practice session.
Let's start with listen and repeat. May is going to say a few ways to introduce herself. Listen and then say it out loud in the pause.
Ready? Let's begin. Hi, I'm May. It's nice to meet you. I am from Melbourne, Australia. I'm a lawyer.
Now let's put it all together. Hi, my name is May. I'm a lawyer from Melbourne.
Fantastic work! You're a natural. Now for part 2, this is where you introduce yourself.
Don't be shy, just give it a try. We're here to learn together. Okay, I'm going to give you a prompt. Tell us your name, where you are from, and what you do. Let's start with, Hi, my name is... Great job! For example, you could say, Hi, my name is... Your name. I am from... Your city or country. I am a... Your job. Simple and perfect.
And that brings us to the end of our video. Let's quickly summarize the 3 easy steps to introduce yourself. First, say your name. Second, say where you're from.
And third, say what you do. Name, origin, and profession. That's all you need for a great first impression.
We really hope you feel more confident now. The next time you meet someone new, take a deep breath and just say hello. Practice is the key.
If you learned something new today, please give this video a like and be sure to subscribe to Tiny English so you don't miss our next lesson.
And for today's interactive question, we want to meet you. Introduce yourself in the comments. Tell us your name, where you're from, and what you do. We'd love to meet our amazing viewers.
Thank you so much for joining us. Until next time, bye!